In this video, you will learn how to get a car dealer license in Alabama. Choose your dealer license type. Decide which your license fits your business best, such as new vehicles, used vehicles, wholesale, or reconditioner, as required by the Alabama Department of Revenue, or ADOR. Register your business. Set up your dealership as a legal business entity by registering with the Alabama Secretary of State and obtaining a federal employee identification number, or EIN number. Secure a business location. Find a permanent location that meets state requirements, including a display area, office, and visible signage, approving by your local zoning agency. Obtain a bond and insurance. Acquire a $50,000 security bond and proof of liability insurance to ensure financial protection for your dealership and customers. Complete the dealer license application. Fill out the Alabama Dealer Regulatory License application through the ADOR Motor Vehicle Division online portal and upload all your required documents. Pay your fees and await approval. Submit the licensing fee, bond, insurance, and application for review. Once approved, you will receive your Alabama dealer license to begin operations. Now you know. Now you know how to get a car dealer license in Alabama. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.